With Dr. Baginan, I'd like to proceed to the last part of my session, okay? The last part, after we build the different scenarios that we imagine for the JRMSU, we will now proceed to what we call as the moonshot of our desired future. Moonshot is because of the idea dating ang pag-adto sa bulan, imposible bitaw kayo. Mura bitaw ka na bitaw maka-aircon ta sa tibok JRMSU classrooms, imposible kay paminawon. Nag-guess ninyo, moonshot is something that appears to be very ambitious, audacious, na kanang imposible makaya na mahita mo eh. Mura bag mato og bulan sa una ba sa panahon o pa nakaadto og bulan. Imposible kay makaadto og bulan. But eventually, it was realized. We were able to go to the moon, right? So moonshot is something like that. Now let's try to imagine something that is very ambitious, highly audacious, and try to work from there. Okay, so moonshot is suntok sa buwan na pangarap. These are audacious futures. The audacity to dream. Mga ganun. Very ambitious. Our moonshots are objectively defined as, I'd like you to go back to the four scenarios. Look at the radical change. Our moonshot is defined as the times 10 of your radical future or the radical change. Try to imagine kung sa imong ibutang sa radical change na
sa learning
quadrant. I-multiply by 10 nimo na siya ka-extent, no? Ang iyahang kausaban. That is your ambitious dream or desire for JRMSU. That is what we will do next. We will try to look at your moonshots for JRMSU. What is your ambitious desire for JRMSU? Example, JRMSU becomes the leading research university in Asia. Ambitious, dili.
Ambitious, kinayup.
Audacious future. Imposible, dili.
Morang imposible, kinayup.
Sorry, possibly, dili. Possible, okay? Moonshot, because at first glance, murag-isod kayo makatog bulan, but we were able to go there. At first glance, murag-isod kayo mahimo leading research university in Asia. But that could be our moonshot. Next example, processing and approval of vouchers and payrolls are fully paperless. Okay, these are examples of moonshots. So, what we will do now is, let's try to bridge 2024 and 2050 and let us define the moonshot of 2050 based on the radical change that we identified in the scenario building process. Okay? So, the next activity will be the moonshot. You will be given with a worksheet like this. Good morning. You will receive a worksheet like this. There are two boxes. The box on 2050 is the ambitious 2050 for JRMSU. Just a statement. Isulat nyo din kung sa pinaka-ambitious scenario ninyo sa 2050. And then try to look at the red box. What can potentially hinder from attaining this in 2050? Example, ingon ang IGP group sa JRMSU. Our ambitious 2050 is, ingon nila, ang IGP sa JRMSU daw will contribute 70% of the total revenue sa province of Zamboanga del Norte gikan sa IGP sa JRMSU. Posible dili? Posible, no? In 2050, that could be their moonshot, that they contribute 70% of the total revenue of the province of Zamboanga del Norte. Or we can be at par with Harvard University. These are moonshots, but we can work around based on those moonshots. Alright, so perhaps with 5 minutes, we can state our ambitious desire for JRMSU, our unit, or for the entire JRMSU in defense for 2050.